My lords, your ladyship. My lord, I'll be very brief. I'll stick to my 15 minutes, my lord. My lord, one of the central questions which has emerged in these proceedings is whether under Article 218, Sub-Article 3, the Election Commission has performed its duty honestly, justly, and fairly. And my lords and your ladyship, I will give you lordships two examples to show that the Election Commission has not fulfilled this constitutional mandate. It has acted arbitrarily, it has acted discriminatory. Let me take your lordship to the first example. The case of the Election Commission before your lordship is very simple. The Sunni Ittihad Council cannot be given these seats because of two reasons. Number one, they did not contest the elections and did not win any general seats. And secondly, they did not submit the list of candidates. And they say these are violations of the Constitution and law, which are incurable. Now, why do I say that they have acted arbitrarily and discriminatory? Your lordships may kindly see CMA 5944 of 2024.
Filed by you?
Yes, my lord. If your lordships may kindly see page 4. (5944) of 2024, page 4.
Ji.
This is from the elections of 2018-2019. This is the election tabulation from the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. If your lordships may kindly see at serial number 5.
This is which year?
This is 2019. What happened is that because FATA was merged, the elections to their seats under Article 106, Sub-Article 1A took place a year after. Serial number 5, if your lordships may kindly see, it says BAP, it says general seat 0, 3 independents join, and they get 1 reserve seat. Exactly what is the case before your lordship. Now, your lordships, the Election Commission has justified this by saying that, sorry, that is per inquiry. That is a dishonest answer, and I'll explain why. If your lordships may kindly see the main appeal, Civil Appeal 333 of 2024. This is a point which was raised before the Election Commission at page 68. Civil Appeal number 333 of 2024, page 68. ये मेन अपील है,
निकाल के देना ही मेन
सिविल अपील
तो मेन के ऊपर रख देना चाहिए। ये 333 कह रहे हैं?
जी अच्छा, सिविल अपील 333 of 2024 at page 68. If your lordships and ladyship have it, this is the original order of the Election Commission denying us reserve seats. This argument was raised before the Election Commission. Did they say that that order was per incurium? No. What did they say? Page 87. para 29. If your lordships and ladyship have it, I'll read para 29, page 87. My lords, your ladyship, I'll read. The learned counsel for the petitioner number 1, Sunni Ittihad Council, during his submitted an example of BAP in respect of allocation of reserved seat in the KP Assembly in 2019, but on the query for provision of any order of the Commission or any document in support of his argument, the Council did not provide any material evidence or order or document to assist the Commission. The Commission impliedly is denying the existence of its own documents. If this is not mala fides, what is mala fides?
The question is whether that order was proper, correct, in accordance with law, or that order was illegal. So, forget about what the Election Commission says. Whether that order was in accordance with law?
Yes, no. Yes, it was in accordance with law, because as I have submitted before your lordships, section 104 and neither article 151 requires that the schedule for submission of list of candidates has to be given before the elections, or that a new schedule cannot be given. Your lordships have seen the document.
Learned Council?
Yes, Mal.
Was that notification of returned candidates of BAP ever contested or challenged?
No.
So the Election Commission ought to, it is presumed that the Election Commission also knew that there was, they were returned candidates.
Yes. इस ऑर्डर के दौरान ही कह देते सॉरी हमसे गलती हो गई, वो पर इनक्यूरियम था, आप उसको साइट नहीं कर सकते. They have completely denied as if these documents don't exist. That is this just? Is this fair? Is this honest? That's my first example.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब ये बताइए कि क्या बाप पार्टी ने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था?
बाप पार्टी ने खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था, लेकिन सीट्स नहीं मिली.
कोई सीट उनको नहीं
सीट नहीं मिली थी,
लेकिन उन्होंने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा
लिया था. जी,
आपका केस थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ है.
जी,
आपके केस में जो SIC है उसने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा नहीं लिया था, लिहाजा किसी हद तक के आपका केस मेरे हवाले से डिस्टिंग्विशेबल है. खैर, अभी आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आप वजाहत फरमाएंगे तो अच्छा हो जाए.
इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं कि क्या ये जो बाप पार्टी थी, नाम भी अजीब सा है, बलूचिस्तान अवामी पार्टी,
जी,
तो क्या उसने ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन है कि अगर कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करे, पाकिस्तान के बाकी कुछ हिस्सों में सीट्स ले दूसरे सूबे में ना ले और बाद में उस आज़ाद उसमें शामिल हो जाए, तो क्या वो पार्टी पहले से एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही थी पार्लियामेंट में?
सर,
independent joint, that party which was already in the parliament.
Sir, no, it was not in the assembly of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That is the case of the election commission. If they had taken the stance that they have taken the stance, this order is wrong. If they had said no, they contested, as your lordship has rightly indicated, that they contested elections in other provinces and the National Assembly. That is why we issued this second schedule. They issued this second schedule, और वो शेड्यूल आपको दिखाया गया था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि हम एक नई डेट दे रहे हैं फॉर नॉन सबमिशन ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स. वो मैं आपको दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि आप देख चुके. सो माय लॉर्ड, this is a case of acting unfairly. They've acted unfairly.
Mr. Siddiqui, you said that word quite a few times. Please now.
I move on to my second point.
No, I have a question.
जी sir.
So we are bound by the interpretation of the Election Commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No, that is not my.
Wait a second. You want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No. That is
why are you referring to it?
I am referring to because I am showing to you.
And last and not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but we cannot just, you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I'm trying to show is the arbitrariness and the unfairness
why
of
don't
the
you
election.
attend to the case?
But that is all I'm trying to show. My second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They are most unfair, let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the Election Commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a ground for
2018 के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. Maybe go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second argument. The second argument is, my lord, their example that the reason why we should not be given reserve seats as far as non-Muslims are concerned is because there is this clause in our constitution which says that minorities cannot be amended. Now, this is what the ancient Greeks classically.
ये तो reason नहीं थी, ये तो उन्होंने यहाँ का बताया.
This is not the reason in the impune order of the Election Commission. They have
बिल्कुल
only
आपने सही कहा. लेकिन सर ये शो करता है कि देखिए ये वो ancient Greeks कहते थे कि when you can't attack the argument, attack the person. It's an ad hominem attack.
तो एशियन ग्रीक्स ने आपको कहा है कि ये अपने रखे निकाल दें आप उसमें से.
मैं एक एग्जांपल दे
अच्छी बात है आपके हिसाब से, ये आईनी बात है.
मेरे
आपके हिसाब से अच्छी बात है.
मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात तो नहीं है. मेरे
आईनी बात है. हमने 2 प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आईन के.
जी Sir, I reserve my opinion.
You're not entitled to reserve.
No.
You have to answer.
No.
We can reserve.
My answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I don't think it's a good opinion. I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the.
So what about yourself?
Sir, JUIF की same clause है. मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा.
देखिए पहली बात.
और उनको minority की reserve seats दे दी.
नहीं पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन.
मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
चलिए वो हमारे सामने.
आप फैसल साहब, you try to understand this is not the ground for non-suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सर.
Not the ground.
साहब आप आर्ग्यू करें ना, इन चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं.
The only thing is, you have noted. Lordship must see
okay, fine.
the unfairness of the election commission.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impune order?
ठीक, मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको बस. CMA number 5944 of 2024. Sorry, 5914 of 2024, sir. 5914 of 2024.
ये आपकी है?
जी सर. मैं सिर्फ पेज नंबर लिखवा रहा हूँ. इस पे पेज 12 पे JUIF का शुरू होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और एग्जैक्टली वही क्लॉज पेज 16 पे. And they have been given 1 reserve seats for non-Muslims. Let me move on.
कौन सा पेज है?
Sir, पेज 12 से शुरू होता है and पेज 16 पे वो क्लॉज है. उसका वो भी क्लॉज नंबर 3 है. नंबर 1
पढ़ दीजिए.
जी. हर बालिग मुसलमान जमीयतुल उलमा इस्लाम का रुकन बन सकता है बेशक वो बेशर्ते वो जमीयत के अखराज और मकासद से मुताबिकत हो. मुत्तफिक हो. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Let me move on to my next point, my lord.
तो आप क्या कहते हैं, जमीयत को नहीं मिलना चाहिए?
हाँ,
जमीयत को नहीं मिलनी चाहिए ऐसी सीट.
सर मैं कह रहा हूँ हैव अ फेयर क्राइटेरिया.
भैया आपका मौकिफ सुनना चाहते हैं.
सर मिलनी इस केस में तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. बट लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, माय लॉर्ड, व्हिच इज I've been puzzled by the example by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah about independents winning and whether that is really a fictional example. It's actually not. It has actually happened in one of the assemblies in this case. If your lordships may kindly see